How do you solve it? Hi, this is Mark. This is pattern, topic, vocabulary for learning English. How? Okay, let's do it. How efficiently does your car run on gas? How smoothly can you ice skate? How carefully do you handle delicate items? How quickly can you solve a Rubik's Cube? How gracefully does the dancer move on stage? How excited are you about the upcoming trip? How do I navigate the immigration process? How is your memory for remembering names? How long does this process take? How is the condition of your laptop after years of use? How is your garden doing? How comfortable is your new mattress? How often do you travel to other countries? How well do you understand English grammar? How deep is your knowledge of history? How do you handle pain? How is your English proficiency? How well do you handle stress? How confident are you in public speaking? How do you tolerate rude people? How healthy are you? How did you hurt yourself? How frequently do you play sports? How skillfully can you write? Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. And I have a Patreon. There you could download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please check out my Patreon page and my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.